channel. I am going to be doing a video today about money saving apps that I use to purchase my makeup and etc. or to make money. And this is a collab with Valerie. She and I came up with this, we decided to do it together. So I will put her picture right here and you can go to her channel. If you've been here long enough, you know who Valerie is. If you haven't, she's fabulous and wonderful. She has been making videos for a while now, and she does videos just like me, and she does lifestyles videos and all that stuff, and she's my best friend in the world. So I love her to death. Like I said, I'll put her picture right here, and I'll put her link down below, her video link, and her link to her channel. And so anyways, she did I think 5. I'm gonna do at least 3. And maybe an honorable mention, because I think she was going to do, we're doing 2 the same, I think. I have a few new ones that she may have not done. But the first one is Ibotta. If you haven't heard of Ibotta, then I don't know where you've been. Ibotta is an app that you can use on your phone, and I will leave my link down below if you want to sign up for it. Ibotta is an app that I use, and it has all the stores, and you get a percentage back, and you also get rebates back. It's basically a rebate app. I'll see, I'll put my phone up and I'll show you what mine looks like. It'll let me. I use that to get Sephora gift cards. That's how I get my Sephora orders most of the time. Not all the time, but most of the time. And they have all kinds of gift cards on there. My internet has been really weird lately. But this is what it looks like. This is what Ibotta looks like. And up here it always has my favorite stores. Whoops. Up here at the top it has my favorite stores right there. When you first sign up, it'll ask you what stores you shop at. Mine is Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, H-E-B, and then I have Groupon on there because Groupon is a great saving app too. And then Boxed, I've never actually shopped there, but it's kind of like Sam's. It's a store you can get like stuff that's sent to you in bulk. And then it'll have the earn extra cash right here, where I just earned actually $3 back, and now they're doing earn $5 back and then $2 back. And then it'll tell you all the things that you can click. And so what I usually do is I go to H-E-B because that's where I usually shop. And then you'll open it up and this will be H-E-B. That's where I shop normally. They have Walmart too. And then what you do is like, you'll see all the offers, like, here, I'll put my screen up to the point. And it has like milk, all different kinds of stuff. It's just different stuff. Unlike for the milk, this is like organic milk if you buy organic milk. Say you buy the Cottonelle flushable wipes. You click on it like that, it's gonna bring it up. You're gonna click it like this, the little plus sign, and it's gonna bring up this little thing and it's checked, and that means it's in my, when I go to redeem it, right down here, you push redeem, and you'll take a picture of your receipt, and then you'll say continue. It'll take a picture of your receipt, you're gonna see me, and then you're gonna do the receipt, and then what you'll do is you'll see my offers. It'll be all the things that you clicked on there that you would buy. And so all these are my rebates that I will use in the future, and when I do that I will then take my app and go scan all the products and take a receipt, and then I'll get my money back. And I have made $146.80. I just actually used my $20 gift card to get something from Sephora. But the gift cards, if I could show you I don't know if it'll let me show you the gift cards, but like a few of my friends, they've made over $200. Valerie's on here too. I don't know where she's at, but she's on here. She's made $62. Anyways, you can add people and you can also do team stuff too. So anyways, Ibotta is awesome. I love Ibotta, and I would recommend to download it and easily save money. that's one of my favorite saving apps. And then another one I really like, and I've been using it for a little while. It's called Apps, and it's a gaming app to make money. Basically, you get a bunch of coins at the top if you play your favorite games, and then you can turn them into money, which you can put in your PayPal account, or you can it's really simple. You just download the games that you like to play, and then you will get points, and you can get gift cards. And these are all the gift cards. I mean, I only have it up to 250 to 5 right now. I mean, it takes a lot of points to get the gift cards, but in my opinion, I play games, so I might as well get paid to play games. So that's what it looks like, and it's called Apps. And I'll leave my link down below if you want. I'll leave all the links to these apps down below. If you are a gamer or you like to play games on your phone, right now these are my active games that I play. Garden Escape, Home Escapes, Coin Master, Merge Dragons, Ginny, and Gems. And after so many minutes or time, I will get coins, and then it'll take me up to the next level. And I could take that $2.50 or that $5 and put it right into my PayPal account, or use it to get a gift card. But right now I'm waiting to get up a little bit higher pointed. I really like that app. I've been using it for a while. I'm sorry, I'm really close to the camera. I really like it. It's a fun app to use to make money, and I really did some research on the ones that to make money, because I was always afraid like that they would be scams, or like they were too hard to do or whatever. This one, like I said, it does take a lot of coins to get money, but still it's something I feel like I will use because I'm playing games. I mean, I'm on my phone already playing games. Another one is Shopkick. It is another one that you can make money, more like gift cards, not really money, because like with AppLink or Ibotta, you actually can transfer the Ibotta, you can transfer the money to your PayPal account. If you have a PayPal account and you don't want to do gift cards, you can do it like regular cash. So you're basically making money. So with the Shopkick, this is actually exclusively just gift cards, but it's still, you can use the gift cards at all different places. And what you do is you just choose your favorite stores like this. You'll open your account and you'll choose your favorite stores, whatever is, and you can do kicks online too, like Kohl's and different places like that. But the one I know for sure, I have CVS, HEB, Walgreens, Hallmark, 7-Eleven, which I don't know why that's on there because I don't have a 7-Eleven, or maybe I do. Walmart, Carter's, American Eagle, Sephora, and there's different ones, but like CVS and HEB are my top ones. And when you go in, you will get different points for different things. Like if I scan something in the store, I'll get 170 kicks. If I do a receipt, I'll get 1,000. Like if I buy something, HEB, like Walmart will give you kicks for just walking in. Like just, I don't know if you can see that. You get kicks for walking in, and kicks are the points, like basically a point system just like app-like. So you can get the points, and then you can, which I haven't actually done it yet. I haven't actually gotten any points yet because, but I have a link for, sorry guys, I have a link for Shopkick too. I'll put that down below. My invite code if you want to do this one too. And if you have time, the thing about it is if you have time, this is worth it. And I want to start doing this occasionally to start actually getting gift cards, but that's how that works. This one's actually really simple. It's not like a big deal. The receipts are a little bit different than the Ibotta one. The receipts, I think you actually have to buy, well, it's kind of like Ibotta. You buy stuff and it gives you certain kicks. And what the thing about it is the kicks too, if you scan things, it's going to be the stuff that you see down here that you're going to scan in the store. You don't really legit have to buy it, but you do have to scan it to get points. So if you're in the store and you're just shopping around or looking around, that's kind of a cool app to make money on. Another honorable mention that I'm going to talk about is Ebates. Ebates is freaking awesome. I will put my link down below, and I will maybe put, oops, knocking things. I'll put something right here if I can. I'm pretty sure you've heard of Ebates. If you haven't, Ebates is basically where you just make a profile online. It's a rebate the same way as Ibotta. It's not an app though. It is actually online. when you're shopping, it has rebates back on, you get certain money back, and this is actually not money. They will actually put it in a check, or they'll send you a check, or they'll put it in your account or PayPal account. I'm not 100% sure about that one, but you do get actually legit money back. I've made probably $30 to $40. I forget to use it sometimes, but you would basically, you go into your eBay's account and you look for wherever you're going to shop, Sephora, Ulta, whatever. You open that line and you go right to the store, and whatever cash back it gives you, that's what you make. Say you buy $100 worth of makeup, whatever, you get a percentage of that back from whatever percentage they are offering on their website. Sometimes they do like they do 12% back, 8% back, 1.5% back. I mean, sometimes it's low, sometimes it's high. That's why you have to check it, especially since that sale is coming up on Sephora. I would definitely check it if you're going to do the 10% or 15% for that Sephora sale that's going to happen. Or if you do Ulta and they're doing their 20% off, if they sent you a code or a whatever email. So those are all the apps that I use on my phone and online. There are a couple more, but I said she's doing some and I'm doing some. I didn't want to mention the same ones that she was mentioning so that you can get across the board a bunch of different ones. She did 5, I'm doing 4. But anyways, that's how I buy some of my makeup, especially from Ibotta. Ibotta is definitely how I buy makeup for, like, you know, I don't pay a lot except for like the shipping, because usually I'll save until I get $20 or $40 gift card, and I'll go to Sephora and I'll find stuff and I usually shop from the on sale page too, unless there's just something I really like or want. So that's how I get a lot of my palettes and other makeup really cheap. So I just wanted to share those money saving tips for you so that you can, you know, get makeup for cheap too, or get gift cards to different places so you can shop. I do own Navy gift cards too for my Ibotta. That's how I get a lot of my tops, my sleeping shorts, stuff like that. So I will see you in my next video, guys. Bye!